Hello, welcome back to this entrepreneur training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In this training, we'll be talking about how to make a lightning oil. Lightning oil, it's simply just to brighten your skin, not to bleach. This is not gonna make you that yellow. It's just gonna brighten your skin like lightning, not bleaching. So there are two different things. You only need few oils to be added together. I would be making this out a specific measurement because when it comes to making oils, your specification depends on your market and also depends on what exactly the cost you are trying to sell the oil out. So all you need are just basic oil that can give the skin good nutrients. So those are the things you really need for this. So you'll be mixing a lot of oils together depending on you and also depending on the amount you're working with. So and also your market. So we have a lot of oils that can help the body. So I'll be showing you few and showing you how I mixed the oil I use. So as you can see, the first product in here, it's an orange oil. You can get your orange oil and at the same time you can just prepare your orange oil by using the orange peels. Jojoba oil, vitamin C. Vitamin C is also orange oil. You might not need to use the two, but it's okay. Then you also use AHA. This is avocado oil. So you mix everything together, and what do you need? You warm it a little bit, like put it on fire, let it heat up. Please don't burn the oil. That means don't fry the oil. You only need to heat it so that it joins together. Otherwise, you might see some separations after mixing it. Then I want you to know that you need a based oil. That means, all these oils that we are showing are nutrients for the skin. So you need a based oil like maybe coconut oil or any other oil you can lay your hands on that's going to be a based oil, because all these will be poured into the based oil. The reason why I'm not using a based oil here is because my orange oil already have a based oil. So that means I used coconut oil to prepare my orange oil. Beauty series skin oil, you mix it along, and also you mix AHA, then add as much nutrient as you can. Just mix it together and you have your wonderful oil. You can add glycerin. Glycerin also lightens the skin, because what we are talking about is not bleaching. So if you're not seeing the bleach, don't complain. It is just all about lightening. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll be getting much of these empowerment trainings and all the trainings on ways of making money on the internet. Thank you very much. God bless.